Hi children, we are going to look at more nouns. And here, you will look at the sentence, we'll look at the picture, read the sentence, underline only the common noun. It's a very interesting exercise. Look at the picture, read the sentence, underline only the common nouns. Let's look at our first sentence, our first picture. Look, lovely little pussycat is sitting here. Yes? Like the picture? Lovely. Let's read. This is my favorite pet cat. A little child is telling, this is my favorite pet cat. Can you identify the common noun? Cat. Very good. So we underline cat. Cat is a common noun. This is my favorite pet cat. So cat is the common noun in this sentence. Did you enjoy doing it? Good. Let's look at another. Here. What's the little boy doing? Oh, he's got a ball in his hand. Very happy to go out to play. Read the sentence. Peter is playing with his ball. Grandpa bought him a lovely orange ball. So Peter is out. Peter is playing with his ball, taking out to play with his friends. Now, what is Peter playing with? Ball. So ball is a common noun. Ball is a common noun. We underline ball. Yes? Good. Let's look at another sentence. Lovely bowl you have here, decorated with the hearts. Yes? Let's read the sentence. I have a decorative bowl. What is this? Bowl. Bowl is a common noun. Let us underline bowl. Good. So, decorative bowl. Bowl is a common noun. Did you enjoy doing this exercise? Let's go on to another sentence. Look at this little child. Little girl, where is she going? She says she's going to school. She's so happy. She's in a uniform. Let's read the sentence. Reena is walking to her school. Reena is walking to her school. What are we looking for? Common noun. What is this? School. School is a common noun. We underline school. Noun, common noun. So Reena is walking to her school. Did you enjoy underlining school? Good. Let's look at another. Go on to the next picture. Next sentence. Look. Here is a plate. There are boiled eggs in it. 1, 2, 3, 4. The plate has 4 eggs. Plate. That's the first common noun here. Plate. We underline plate. Can be any plate. Glass plate, plastic plate, paper plate. And so plate is a common noun. Then how many eggs are there? 4 eggs. Eggs. Common noun. Eggs. So we underline plate. We underline eggs. Did you enjoy, children? Let's look at another picture. Another sentence. Look. What is this? Your birthday cake. Lots of candles on it. What do you do with the candle? Blow. Before you blow, you wish. Yes. Let's read. The cake has 12 candles. Cake. What's the first common noun? Cake. We underline cake. Can be any cake. So we underline cake. And how many candles are there? 12. Candles is a common noun. Cake, candle. In this sentence, cake and candles, both are common noun. Did you enjoy? Let's look at another picture, another sentence. Look. Who's sitting here? Lion is sitting near the river. Here's a little river flowing. Read the sentence. The lion is sitting near the river. Probably he's thirsty. Lion is a common noun. We underline lion. And where is he sitting? Near the river. River is a common noun. It can be any river. So, lion, river, both common noun. Lion, river. Did you enjoy? Let's look at another picture, the sentence. There's a little girl with a balloon, blue balloon in the hand. She looks very happy, holding on to her balloon. Let's read. The baby has a blue balloon. The baby has a blue balloon. Baby. Which baby? Any baby. So baby is a common noun. We underline baby. Yes? Next. Balloon. Balloon is also a common noun. So we underline balloon. Baby, balloon. The baby has a blue balloon. Baby, balloon. We have two common nouns in this sentence. Yes? Good. Let's look at another picture. Look, here you have a beautiful, colorful ladybug sitting on a beautiful green leaf. Let's read the sentence. The beetle is sitting on the leaf. Beetle is a common noun. We underline beetle. Where is the beetle sitting? On the leaf. So leaf is also a common noun. Beetle, leaf. We have two common nouns in this sentence. We underline leaf. Beetle, leaf. Two common nouns. Look at the beetle, how lovely it looks. Let's go on to look at more pictures and sentences to identify common nouns. Look how delicious, yummy it looks. A bowl full of fruits. Lovely. Let's read. The bowl is full of fruits, cut up fruits. Bowl. What is bowl? Common noun. We underline bowl. What does it have? It has fruits. So we underline fruits. The bowl is full of fruits. Bowl and fruits, two common nouns in this sentence. Yes? Good. Let's look at another picture. Little girl is there sitting inside the car. The little girl is driving the car. The little girl is driving the car. Girl. What is girl? It can be any girl. Common noun. We underline girl. Girl is a common noun. Again, car is a common noun. Car. Yes? Car is a common noun.